You have an amazing power within you to shape your reality and manifest your biggest dreams simply by focusing your conscious awareness in specific ways. The universe reflects back to you your innermost thoughts, feelings, and energy vibrations. By understanding how to align your inner state, you can manifest the outer experiences and circumstances you truly want in life. Here are 12 powerful phrases to reprogram your mind and unleash your manifesting abilities. 1. My thoughts are requests to the universe. Every single thought you have is sending out an energetic request or communication to the universe about what you want to create and experience in your reality. Your thoughts aren't just random things happening in your mind. They are extremely powerful energy forces that the universe responds to. When you think positively and focus your mind on what you want to achieve or acquire, you are putting in a request for the universe to manifest more of those experiences and circumstances. But if you think negatively or worry a lot, you'll manifest more negativity and challenging circumstances that match those low vibrations. Become very conscious of your thought patterns and make an effort to have your thoughts be clear requests for your intended reality. 2. I am a conscious creator of my life experience. Too many people go through life feeling like a victim of circumstances beyond their control, being pushed around by events and experiences happening to them. But the truth is, you aren't just a passive recipient. You are meant to be the conscious architect and creator of your entire life experience through your thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. Every single perception you have, every feeling, every reaction you experience is casting a vote for creating more of that same experiential reality around you. When you embrace your role as the conscious creator here, you are aligning your energy for intentionally creating and manifesting the experiences, relationships, health, career, and lifestyle you most want. 3. Uncertainty means I get to choose again. Many of us get stuck by being too attached to how we think things should be or what our life is supposed to look like. We become rigid in our expectations and resistant to anything that doesn't match our perception. But this creates blockages in our manifesting abilities. True creative power in life comes from being flexible and flowing with the uncertainties, changes, and unexpected turns that always arise. When you let go of rigid expectations and detach from needing to control every outcome, you open up infinite new possibilities to recreate from and choose your reality again from a fresher, higher perspective. Uncertainty is the gateway to your next act of creation, rather than something to resist. 4. My desires are already manifesting. Even before you see physical evidence of the dreams you want to achieve, on an energetic, metaphysical level, those deepest desires already exist as potential realities just waiting to manifest fully in your experience. The seeds of what you want are already planted and beginning to blossom if you can align with them. So rather than just putting out requests and wishes for what you want, take it a step further by embodying the feelings of already having attained those dreams right now. Live as if you've already achieved your goals in your thoughts and energy vibration. This is a powerful way to harmonize your personal frequency with the intended manifestation, attracting it more rapidly into your reality. 5. I create from the highest perspective. Are you currently creating and manifesting by default from a place of fear, insecurity, doubt, and limiting perspectives? Or are you tapping into the wisdom and vision of your highest self that is connected to love, joy, abundance, and limitless possibilities? Being conscious about your point of manifestation is crucial. When you align with that highest self perspective, your manifestations and created reality have much greater potency and power behind them. You shape your experiences from an aligned, empowered state rather than being bound by lower density fears and limiting beliefs that restrict what you can create. Make the choice to create from your highest self. 6. The universe works fastest when I'm feeling good. The better you can feel inside through positive emotions, optimism, and genuine inner joy, the faster the universe can reflect those vibrations and manifest circumstances that give you even more reasons to feel good. It's the principle of like attracts like in action. When you prioritize your happiness and alignment with feeling good in the present moment, you immediately become an energetic magnet, drawing more circumstances, situations, and relationships to you that will make you feel more joy. The universe can then deliver your desires very rapidly. Make feeling good your top priority, and manifesting follows. 7. I am willing to receive my greatest desires. Even if you get very clear about what you want to intend and manifest, those dreams often can't fully establish themselves in your reality if you have subconscious resistance, self-doubt, or ingrained feelings of unworthiness programmed within you around receiving them. You must be an energetic match and willing receiver in order to let your desires fully manifest. Say affirmations like, "I am worthy of all my dreams," and do visualizations around joyfully receiving what you've asked for from the universe. This removes any blocks and resistance, aligning you with your ability to accept and reel in your heart's wishes. 8. My frustrations show me where to refocus my energy. Anytime you feel frustration, struggle, or dissatisfaction with lack in an area of your life, it's simply a signal that your energy and focus of manifestation is misaligned in that area. It's calling your attention to where you need to adjust your creative efforts, rather than affirming and amplifying the lack by stressing over the problem. See every frustration as an opportunity to pivot and refocus your manifesting energy more purposefully on what you do intend to create instead. That's where your real power lies. 9. Infinite creative forces are directing me toward my dreams. You don't have to strain, struggle, or force your dreams into reality through sheer effort and willpower alone. There are infinite unseen creative forces, energies, and synchronistic guidance all around you that can line up to support you in manifesting your aims once you learn to trust the process. Rather than trying to manage every single how things will get accomplished, open yourself to consistent divine inspiration through signs, hunches, helpful people, resources showing up, brilliant ideas hitting you, and synchronistic opportunities you could never plan. State your intentions and then allow the creative forces to handle the details of orchestrating the manifestation. 10. I embrace uncertainty as life's creative impulse. While it helps to have clear goals and focus areas, too much rigid controlling actually cuts you off from the infinite creative potential available in the uncertain, unknown field of pure potentiality around you. Uncertainty, change, unexpected circumstances, and elements of chaos are the primordial unity out of which new, innovative creations can emerge in your reality. Rather than resisting life's uncertainties, learn to lean into and embrace them, even get excited by them. Stay grounded in your essence and values, but give the universe plenty of space to deliver your intentions through surprising channels you could never plan or predict. These 10 empowering phrases contain invaluable manifesting keys. Use them as anchors to separate you from old limiting beliefs and align your consciousness with the unlimited creative power within you and all around you. Affirm them regularly, and you'll accelerate your journey into being a conscious, intentional creator and manifester of the life you most deeply desire. 11. I am open to receiving far beyond my current dreams. While it's great to clarify your desired manifestations, you also want to remain open for life to bring you something even better than you could currently envision or conceive of from your limited human perspective. The universe has a vastly expanded view of the infinite possibilities available. By saying, "I am open to receiving far beyond my current dreams," you signal to the universe that you are welcoming of grander opportunities, connections, resources, and experiences to come into your reality that could turn out even more amazing than what you specified. You make room for wonderful surprises and solutions that your smaller self couldn't imagine. It's an affirmation of being a perpetual explorer of life's brilliance. 12. My presence alone is enough to transform reality. One of the most powerful manifesting tools you have is operating not from excessive mental doing, forcing, or trying, but simply from resting in the state of your spiritual beingness and presence. You are a divine change maker. From the stillness of your deepest inner essence, you emit an energetic frequency that can literally transform and rearrange the patterns of reality around you without any more effort required. By stating, "My presence alone is enough to transform reality," you confirm the power of your peaceful, aligned, higher vibrational presence to recode the programs and manifestations appearing in your life. It's a recognition of how whole, loved, and powerful you already are just by being you. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.